List of Nobel laureates in 2013. Category: Chemistry. Names: Martin Karplus, Michael Levitt, and Arieh Warshel. Reason for being awarded: for the development of multiscale models for complex chemical systems. Martin Karplus is an Austrian-born American theoretical chemist. He is the Theodore William Richards Professor of Chemistry, Emeritus at Harvard University. Michael Levitt, FRS, is an American-British-Israeli biophysicist and a professor of structural biology at Stanford University, a position he has held since 1987. Arieh Warshel is an Israeli-American distinguished professor of chemistry and biochemistry at the University of Southern California. Category: Physics. Names: François Inglet and Peter W. Higgs. Reason for being awarded: for the theoretical discovery of a mechanism that contributes to our understanding of the origin of mass of subatomic particles. François Inglet. François Baron Inglet is a Belgian theoretical physicist and 2013 Nobel Prize laureate. He is Professor Emeritus at the Université Libre de Brussels, where he is member of the Service de Physique théorique. Peter Ware Higgs CHFRS FRSE is a British theoretical physicist, Nobel Prize laureate and Emeritus Professor at the University of Edinburgh. Category: Physiology and Medicine. Names: James E. Rothman, Randy W. Sheckman and Thomas C. Pseudoff. Reason for being awarded: for the discoveries of machinery regulating vesicle traffic, a major transport system in our cells. James Edward Rothman is the Fergus F. Wallace Professor of Biomedical Sciences at Yale University, the chairman of the Department of Cell Biology at Yale School of Medicine, and the director of the Nanobiology Institute of the Yale West Campus. Randy W. Sheckman. Randy Wayne Sheckman is an American cell biologist at the University of California, Berkeley, and former editor-in-chief of Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences. Thomas C. Pseudoff. Thomas Christian Pseudoff is a German-American biochemist well known for his study of synaptic transmission. Category: Literature. Name: Alice Munro. Reason for being awarded: Master of the Contemporary Short Story. Alice Munro. Alice Ann Munro is a Canadian author writing in English. Munro's work has been described as having revolutionized the architecture of short stories, especially in its tendency to move forward and backward in time. Category: Peace. Name: Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons OPCW. Reason for being awarded: for its extensive efforts to eliminate chemical weapons. The Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons OPCW is an intergovernmental organization located in The Hague, Netherlands. The organization promotes and verifies the adherence to the Chemical Weapons Convention, which prohibits the use of chemical weapons and requires their destruction. The verification consists both of evaluation of declarations by member states and on-site inspections. Category: Economics. Names: Eugene F. Farmer, Lars Peter Hansen and Robert J. Schiller. Reason for being awarded: for the empirical analysis of asset prices. Eugene F. Farmer. Eugene Francis Gene Farmer is an American economist and Nobel laureate in economics, known for his work on portfolio theory and asset pricing, both theoretical and empirical. Lars Peter Hansen. Lars Peter Hansen is the David Rockefeller Distinguished Service Professor of Economics at the University of Chicago. Lars Peter Hansen. Lars Peter Hansen is the David Rockefeller Distinguished Service Professor of Economics at the University of Chicago. Robert J. Schiller. Robert James Bob Schiller is an American economist, academic, and best-selling author. He currently serves as a Sterling Professor of Economics at Yale University and as a Fellow at the Yale School of Management's International Center for Finance.